A portable generator is super handy when utility power isn't available where and when you need it. It's the perfect companion when you want to venture out but still have the power you need for bright lights, music, and heat for backyard parties and events, tackle a home improvement project in the far corner of your property, or even as a whole home backup in the aftermath of a storm. It comes with a wheel kit, an electric start battery, a wireless remote, a battery wall charger, an oil transfer funnel, break-in oil, and a spark plug wrench. Make sure to read and understand the manual before starting. Install the wheels, the foot kit, and the handle. The handle locks up into position for easy maneuvering and folds down for compact storage. You'll need to clean and oil the air filter before your first use. Undo the clips, remove the air filter cover, and remove the foam air filter elements. Wearing gloves, add new engine oil to the foam filter. Work oil into the filter until saturated, and squeeze and repeatedly use a towel to pat out excess oil. The result should be a very lightly but thoroughly oiled filter. Ensure the generator is on a level surface, then unscrew the oil cap and clean the dipstick. Empty the break-in oil into the oil port using the funnel provided. It is recommended to change the break-in oil after 15 minutes of runtime or as soon as possible after the first use. Pre-measure and change oil again after 10 hours of runtime. After that, change the oil regularly every 50 hours. When you're finished, insert the dipstick straight into the oil port without screwing in. Remove and check the reading. Reinsert the oil cap and tighten securely. Then add fuel. And refer to your manual for fuel specifications. Never use contaminated gasoline or an oil and gasoline mixture. Tighten the fuel cap securely after filling. You'll see the control panel is where you will find the power and control switches, the master breaker, and the power outlets. No matter what type of generator cord you choose, the key is to buy a cable of the right amperage with the right prong for your outlet and appliance. Before starting, make sure you know what you will power with your generator so that the total wattage does not exceed the generator's rating. When in doubt, refer to the manual. Plug the charger into a standard wall outlet and into the charging port. Do not charge longer than 10 hours at a time. This generator has 3 start options: a push button, a remote, or recoil if the electric start is not charged. You'll need to sync the remote to the generator for the remote start option. Keeping your generator well maintained will improve performance, extend its life, and ensure it will be ready for use when you need it most.